5 fascinating facts about the Amazon rainforest you need to know. 1. The Amazon rainforest is home to over 390 billion individual trees, showcasing incredible biodiversity. 2. It produces 20% of the world's oxygen, playing a critical role in the global ecosystem. 3. Deforestation poses a significant threat, with vast areas lost each year due to agriculture and logging. 4. Indigenous cultures have lived in the Amazon for thousands of years, preserving unique traditions and knowledge. 5. The rainforest helps regulate the Earth's climate by absorbing carbon dioxide and stabilizing weather patterns. Subscribe for more amazing nature facts.